Love our coffee on the morning show. And for your coffee cast, maybe opt for the iced coffee. It is going to be a hot one today. Not much rain if maybe you are trying to go grab that cup of coffee for the rest of today. Maybe head out to a cafe for National Coffee Day. It should be a nice one, but again, it's going to be toasty. The iced coffee would be better than the hot coffee today as we climb to this heat index values that'll be ranging from 105 to 110 degrees yet again. Nice looking star. Notice we've got this nice orangey glow. Our sunrise happened at 7:12 this morning. Temperatures already warm in the low to middle 80s. Feels like temperatures already in the 90s for areas like Miami. We will remain mainly dry today. Notice as we take a look at our next weather radar network, we have a couple showers that have been offshore. More of an easterly wind today could be driving a couple of those in through this morning, but many of us won't have any rain today. Our rain chances, in fact, only about a 10% chance for this afternoon, as most of the activity will be focused well to the west of us. Notice these rain chances Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as we head into a whole new month. Kicking off on Wednesday, those rain chances still remain below average, only about a 20% chance for some showers. And then we'll start to see this pick up a little bit by the end of the week as we may start to see some tropical moisture make a comeback by Friday and Saturday. As for the rest of today, not much. A lot of us just looking at a partly sunny sky. Future track keeping us pretty quiet as we had, rather rain tracker keeping us fairly quiet as we head into the remainder of this morning. We will continue to keep it the drier weather patterns we head into this evening. Showers and storms will be focused out across those inland areas and out across the west coast. Now tomorrow I do think a little bit of a higher chance to see some showers for the morning commute. So heads up, your Monday morning may be featuring a couple quick passing showers as we continue with that easterly sea breeze back in place. And then we'll see those rain chances wind down as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Dolphins game looking good to go. Should be dry, but certainly warm. High temperatures today, we will be running still around 5 degrees above average. Average high for this time of year near 88 degrees. Today topping off near 93 degrees in Miami. That should actually be tying a record. Pembroke Pines likely going to be one of the warmer spots in the map at 94. That breeze warms up, remember, as it tracks over land. Heat advisories back in effect for both Miami-Dade and Broward County. That'll be through 6 p.m. Out on the beach today, moderate rip current risk. Surf at 1 foot or less as water temperatures in the middle 80s. No alerts for Atlantic waters. A nice day to go boating. Those seas less than 2 feet. Bays looking at light chop. No alerts down to the Keys either. You can expect light chop near shore with seas at 1 to 2 feet. Out across the tropics, we continue to track a couple named storms, Isaac and Joyce. Neither of these going to be a threat to land. We are still tracking this cluster of storms just off to the west of the Cabo Verde Islands. That chance for development has increased to a 70% chance, but this likely will follow a similar track to Joyce. Most models show it turning to the north and remaining out at sea. The area, of course, we're going to be keeping the closest eye on is closest to home. National Hurricane Center has increased the chance of a tropical system developing as we head into next week, rather this upcoming week, next few days here, to a 50% chance. I do think there is a pretty decent likelihood of seeing a tropical system develop in the Caribbean and then lift into the Gulf of Mexico. So we will be watching this system. I would not be overly worried about it right now. It's just one of those things we're going to be monitoring. If it does become a system, it would be lifting into the Gulf of Mexico by Thursday and Friday, and we could see possible Gulf impacts by Saturday through Monday of next week. So that's kind of the time frame that we're looking at. Again, far too soon to speculate on the exact track of the system, the intensity, but these are the things that we're going to be monitoring. We still have quite a bit of warm ocean water to do.